Today I'm going to show you how to get many quote records using Zoho CRM in N8n. This is a simple workflow step that lets you pull multiple quote entries into your automation so you can process them, filter them, send them somewhere else, or use them in the next node. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick N8n tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside N8n. This can be an existing automation or a brand new workflow depending on what you're building. Once you're inside the editor, look at the Nodes panel on the left side. This is where you add services and actions to your workflow. From that panel, search for and choose Zoho CRM. After you add the Zoho CRM node to your canvas, you'll see the available actions for that integration. Here, select Get Many Quote. This action is used when you want to retrieve multiple quote records instead of just a single one. Once you've selected it, the next step is to configure what you want to get. That means setting the parameters for the quote data you need, such as the fields, filters, or other options available in the node settings. Make sure you choose the right criteria so the node returns the exact quote records you're looking for. If your workflow depends on specific quote information, this step is really important because it determines what data moves through the rest of your automation. After that, save your settings and run the node to test the output. You should now see the quote records coming in from Zoho CRM. From there, you can connect the data to the next step in your workflow and continue building your automation. And that's it. That's how to get many quote using Zoho CRM in N8n. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more N8n automation tutorials.